Student po ako and freelancer. Need pa rin po ba magbayad ng tax pag hindi naman pasok sa minimum wage? Based sa tax law po natin, pag tayo ay isang freelancer, isang self-employed individual, regardless of our income, kailangan po natin mag-register sa BIR at mag-file po ng ating income tax return. Pag hindi naman po lumalagpas sa 250,000 ang ating annual income, wala po tayong income tax na babayaran. Magpa-file po tayo quarterly ng ITR, pero wala pong income tax na babayaran. Binigyan po ako ng pera ni client as birthday gift. Yung pag-transfer po sinama na din sa payroll ko. Taxable po ba? Hindi naman po bonus. The answer is yes, taxable po yan. Kahit as birthday gift siya, kahit as bonus siya, taxable din po. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GE Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Pag commission work lang, need ba ng BIR registration? The answer is yes. Commission work is also a type of freelancing. We have clients na may art commission ang kanilang freelancing business. And yes, kailangan po mag-register sa BIR, kailangan po mag-file ng income tax return.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.